Oh, what's up? So, today we're going to be unboxing. I actually got the camera, and I'm going to start like this thing where it's going to be a video up. Like, there's going to be like my 6 normal videos up a day, and there will be like this video going up in the night time as well. It'll be like some stupid video or challenge. This isn't a challenge, it's just an unboxing because I found this in the back of my wardrobe. I said I'd keep it for YouTube, but I'm not actually going to use it for YouTube. I'm going to bring it to Spain with me, and if you don't know, I'm going to Spain in 8 days. For 8 days, I have my videos. I'll be doing them all in 7 days, so I'm going to be in 7 days. I'm just going to be working non-stop on videos. So let's crack this open. Okay, so open this one really quick. Really quick. Second time trying to record. Good lord. No, I'll just tear off the fucking tear off the tape. Okay, and now how do you open more tape? Or hold on. Oh, and it says make memories. You can save water, that shit. I'm going to okay, so first of all we got the dock, which you plug in your USB cable. Next we've got the actual USB cable. I actually have one of these. I use this like a cable, the very same system. Like it does the very same thing, but like it's white. I have it down there to open things. If you probably have some. Next we got some wire to apparently connect up to a television, a TV, manuals, which nobody cares about, and there we go, granddaddy. I will be doing a review on this, hopefully tomorrow. So see you guys next time. Hold on. Peace.